Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, where we get to talk about where you're going to tuck all those wonderful ideas and what are you going to put into your Zettelkasten. Well, this is our Monday Compass Day, so take it away, Victoria.
Well, this is pretty straightforward and simple. There's not much to set up. This week, we're going to file those cards we made. So tomorrow, when we get to the map, I'm going to walk you through taking a section dedicated to your hard world and taking a section dedicated to your soft world and just getting those populated with some basic components so you can start building each of those things out. So I'll see you for that tomorrow. Kathleen?
All right. Oh, that's exciting. And tomorrow I'm going to be talking about where, when, how, and what you're going to put about affability into your Zettelkasten so that you can tuck things away for when you need a character with or without it. So come on back tomorrow for our map day. See you then.